Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sitiang Radin from class 11 DBB4. Action 33, I will tell you the story of the golden snail. Once upon a time, there lived a king named Karmarta. He led a prosperous and peaceful kingdom. The kingdom was the kingdom of Daha. King Karmarta had two beautiful dogs named Chandrakirana and Dewi Galuh. They lived happily and in abundance. One day, a handsome and beautiful prince from the Kahuripan kingdom visited the Dal kingdom. The prince was named Raden Inu Karpati. The prince's arrival was to propose to Chandrakirana and was welcomed by King Karmarta. The king accepts the proposal and Chandrakirana was finally engaged to Raden Inu. However, the engagement made Chandrakirana's only sister Dewi Galuh felt jealous. This was because Dewi Galuh felt that Raden Inu was more suitable for her than their sister. Dewi Galuh is darkened until she finally went to the witch Radiance, Radiance and asked for her help to make Chandrakirana into something disgusting and terrifying, so that Raden Inu would avoid her. The witch also complete which Dewi Galuh request. The next day, Chandrakirana went to market to buy necessities to welcome Raden Inu Karpati arrival tomorrow. On her way home from the market, Kirana passed a river. In the river, Kirana was stopped by ugly old woman. The old woman was a witch who was ordered by Galuh Castle of Kirana. Ha 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 ha! I came here you bewitch you into a snail. Why do you want to bewitch me? Why did I do wrong? Your sister told me to bewitch you, no accept you fast. Ah! Chandrakirana was cursed to become a golden snail and thrown into the river until she was landed in Darapan village. Another day, a king's grandmother fished with a net in the river. Now, to her in golden snail good caught in the grandmother net and we carried home. The next day, the grandmother ran the river, but unfortunately, not a single fish was caught in her net. The grandmother then went home, feeling sad and low sobs. She was when she saw many kings of both already available on the dining table. The grandmother wondered who it was that chose all that food for her. This is this indeed happen every day. So grandmother become curious. One morning before going to the river, grandmother picked what was happening in the house. How surprised she was to see golden snail transform into a beautiful moment. She went to greet the beautiful moment. Who are you, beautiful prince? And where did you come from? I am the princess of the Daha kingdom, who was bewitched into a golden snail by a wind seed by my sister because she was jealous of me. After unwearing the girl's mother question, Chandrakirana transformed back into the golden snail. Meanwhile, Raden Inu did not want to stay. Soon he found out that Chandrakirana had disappeared. He looked for her by disguising himself as ordinary person. The witch finally found out and transformed herself into a crow to harm Raden Inu. Raden Inu was very surprised to see crow that could tell and know his destination. He considered the crow be magical and object it even though Raden Inu was given the wrong direction. On the way, Raden Inu met a hungry grandfather. Then he gave him food. It turned out that the grandfather was a good and powerful person. He helped Raden Inu from the crow. Please help me, please help me, son. I have eaten for several days. Oh, here, Grandpa. There's some food. Thank you, man. Don't follow the direction given by the crow. She actually the young in incarnation of a witch. She gave you the wrong direction. Then what should I do, Grandpa? Walk along this river at the end if you find the Darapan village. Thank you, Grandpa. I continue the journey. Raden Inu immediately walked through the forest, and after days, he finally found Chandrakirana, who was choking in a very shabby hut. The curse from the witch disappeared because of the meeting. Raden Inu then brought his fiancée and the king grandmother to the palace. And Chandrakirana told King Karmarta about Devi Galu's action. King Karmarta apologized to Chandrakirana, and in return, Devi Galu received an appropriate punishment because Devi Galu was afraid. She ran away into the forest. Finally, the wedding of Chandrakirana and Raden Inu took place with a very lively party, and they lived happy ever after. This is this is the short story of Keong Mas. Words message can be taken as a life lesson that evil deeds will always be defeated by good deeds.